Sunday, and you wake up in the morning and this is what you find. Snow on the ground. This is supposed to be spring. We're supposed to be putting potatoes and seeds in the garden. Instead we just get snow, and it's not even nice snow. Just look what it does to these trees. It's heavy and wet. It just weighs down the branches like that, and it snaps some of them off. It's not good at all. Usually I have some protection. This year I haven't put it on. Looks like the hares and the rabbits have been about, hopping about. I've been digging over the garden. Now the strawberries which are coming up. That's incredible. Everything's beaten down. And the leaves were just beginning. There was bud break coming out. On these currants. Anyway, the birds seem to be happy about it. You can hear them. Look at that. The leaves just coming out there a few days ago when it was warm. Now it's just covered in snow. Oh. We have a weather prophet here in NASTOLA, and he wrote in the local newspaper that the ants had been telling him that winter wasn't over in Finland, that we were going to get more snow, and everybody just sort of laughed at him. But it looks like his prophecy has become true. This is just incredible. And he didn't only say that we're going to get more snow. He said this cold spell is going to last until midsummer. We're not going to have any warm spell in spring at all. Just look at that. The branches here on this snowball bush, just all bent down to the ground. And that Norwegian angero as well. When you get this heavy wet snow, then all the branches just bend down, some of them break, and the plants never recover. But the birds are singing songs, so perhaps they know something that we don't. I think tomorrow's May Day. I think this is about the end of April. I'm glad I haven't taken these cages off the apple trees here. Otherwise we'd have hares eating them. But that's it from Finland. Snow at the end of April, beginning of May. I expected that branch there to fall off that tree. It's just weighed down by the snow. But everything's melting now. You can see underneath here. It's already sort of going. But that's it from Finland. A nasty surprise.